Good afternoon YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Today you joined me a few days after Rallyday at Castle Combe. I was lucky enough to have a seat with multiple British rally champion Matt Edwards as he drove this car around the Rallyday Legend stages at the circuit. We've done the Legend stages a couple of times, but it was the first time I've actually sat with Matt. So yeah, in the midst of working on another video project with this car, I actually managed to put together a couple of onboards using some cameras in the car. So sit back and enjoy some of the driving from multiple BRC champ Matt Edwards in this Celica ST185 GT4 Group A car. If you enjoyed the video, please like this, subscribe, make sure you keep your eyes peeled and the notifications on for the second video that we're going to be doing with this car, which is going to be hitting the channel very soon. Thanks for watching.